We're going to have that. Hello,
Yeah.
Alexandra.
We have a front. I mean, we do have at least one thing to kind of get excited about. Of course, we need the front to bring rain. That would be great. And we need a lot more rain in this general area to come downriver and bring those levels up for our part of the river near the mouth and in the southern part of Louisiana, of course. You can see where the rain's happening this week. This is the next 7 days just off to the west of us, officially part of the Mississippi River drainage basin, but we're just going to have to wait, it looks like, some time for some rain. And we are moving into our driest month on record, which I'll show you in a second. One thing, though, that we are talking about that's at least something good to look forward to is that we're only 7 days until our first fall cold front. A lot of people have been waiting for that, especially after this excessively hot summer with so many triple-digit days. Instead, we're looking for finally a nice cool down at the end of the first week of October. Right now, temperatures in the 70s. We're just barely at 70 for Mandeville and Slidell. We've got some 60s in the mix as well at Bay St. Louis and at Bogalusa, as well as Reserve. Winds have been a bit breezy and very much from the east, just pushing up water for some of these coastal spots. So the National Weather Service did issue just an advisory. You may have noticed, especially if you're in these locations that tend to see the water rise with these sustained east winds, some minor coastal flooding continuing probably just through tomorrow morning, and then it may gradually go down tomorrow and into Tuesday. Wake up forecast for tomorrow looks clear. We've hung on to some slightly lower humidity this weekend. North Shore lows in the 60s and south of the lake expecting 70s. And tomorrow, pretty similar to what we've had this weekend, upper 80s to about 90. So it is hot. Our average high is 86. We will have a bit of a breeze, maybe not quite as windy as today. East winds, though, up to about 10 or 15 miles per hour, and lots of sun. Actually, our weather this week is fairly pleasant. I mean, it is warm, but not too humid and a bit of a breeze. There's your forecast for tomorrow. Pleasant as we drop back into the 70s tomorrow evening. Here we are looking very mild across most of the U.S., but you can see some cooler air has moved into the western United States. This upper trough is going to be dragging in a surface cold front as we get toward the end of the week. So let me show you what that looks like. The beginning of the week will not feature any cool down. This high is in charge, keeping us warm and dry. Fast forward through the Thursday timeframe. Here's a line of some rain, but look what happens. At least the European model not bringing that rain to us, has it kind of breaking up and really settling more to the west. But at least we do get that shot of the cooler air. So next Sunday, very exciting. We're talking about a morning in the 50s, maybe north, and 60s south. An afternoon potentially staying in the 70s with much lower humidity and a lot of sun. Should be a really nice taste of fall. Our eye on the tropics, we're looking at Tropical Storm Philippe. It may brush by Antigua and Barbuda, the northern islands and the Lesser Antilles, as a tropical storm in the next couple of days. Then it heads out and may become a hurricane as it moves to the east of Bermuda. Not a threat to land aside from those two islands that might get some gusty winds and heavy rain. Otherwise, we're looking quiet across the tropics. Our 7-day forecast, unfortunately, only features about a 20% rain chance Thursday and Friday, but at least we have that beautiful weekend forecast to look ahead to next weekend.